Imagine waking up 30 days from now, feeling unstoppable, confident, and respected. What if I told you that in just 1 month, you can completely transform how the world sees you, and more importantly, how you see yourself? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your personal value in just 30 days. We'll cover discovering your true potential, building unshakable self-respect, mastering your passion, managing your time, and taking care of your body and mind. And stick with me until the end because I'll reveal a special bonus that will accelerate your transformation like nothing else. Hi, I'm Bellia, and this is Heart's Time, where we learn to love smarter, grow stronger, and live happier. If you want to build a life full of purpose, confidence, and respect, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into this life-changing journey together. 1. Discover your potential and turn it into passion. The first step is to look inside yourself and uncover what truly drives you. What are the skills, talents, or dreams that excite you? The people who achieve greatness often start by recognizing a seed of potential in themselves and nurturing it. Think about Elon Musk. He discovered his passion for technology early and dedicated decades to mastering it. You too can find what sets your heart on fire. Start by listing your strengths, testing new activities, and noticing what gives you energy instead of draining you. 2. Develop respectable values to build self-respect. Now let's move to the second technique, which is even more powerful: values. Your personal value skyrockets when you live by principles that make you proud. Honesty, discipline, courage, and responsibility are examples of values that create respect from others and, most importantly, self-respect. Imagine someone who consistently keeps promises, treats others kindly, and stands up for themselves. They naturally command attention and admiration. 3. Learn, relearn, and master a skill related to your passion. The third one might surprise you: continuous learning. It's not enough to know a little. Mastery creates real value. Dedicate time every day to improving one skill that aligns with your passion. Read books, watch tutorials, practice relentlessly. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This is not just financial. It's about becoming a person who inspires, contributes, and stands out. 4. Master your time like a CEO. And finally, the last technique ties everything together: time management. Your potential, values, and skills mean nothing if you waste time. Plan your day, set priorities, and avoid distractions. Create routines that align with your goals. The world's most successful people protect their time fiercely, and you can do the same. Even 30 minutes of day of focused effort compounds into massive results over a month. 5. Take care of your body and senses. Finally, your body is your first asset. Physical health impacts energy, confidence, and mental clarity. Exercise, eat nutrient-rich food, and rest well. But don't forget your senses and mental state. Listen to inspiring content, surround yourself with positive people, and nurture creativity. When you feel strong, alert, and balanced, you naturally radiate value and people take notice. If you follow these 5 steps for just 30 days, you will see a transformation, not just in how others see you, but in how you feel about yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life elevate. Remember, increasing your value is a choice you make daily. Now, I want to hear from you. Which step will you start with today? Comment below and share your plan. If you found this video helpful, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for daily insights. Stick around for tomorrow's video where I'll reveal a bonus strategy to multiply your personal value even faster. I'm Bellia, I love you, and as always, make your world joyful.